My Life in Weeks calendar. I'll give you a brief overview of what it looks like and then how it works and how I personally use it. So it's My Life in Weeks calendar. On the top header row, you have weeks indicated by an individual square. So there's 52 weeks in a year, one square for each week. On the right column, you have the years, starting with the year you were born, down to any year you would like. Mine happens to end at year 2073. The left column is your age, numerically. So 2073 is when I'm age 99. And then you can indicate milestones anywhere you like in your life timeline here on the left. So for me, I have when I was born, when I turned 18, 21, when I got married, when we had our son DJ, our daughter Demi. I have a group of time here indicated for when I was diagnosed with cancer and retirement. I've also blocked out large groups of time with color. So anything from my arm up is age 61 to when I was born. It's indicated in green, which for whatever reason is when I think I can get the most stuff done and accomplish the most goals, from birth to 61. And then I have ages 62 to 65 blocked out in yellow, which is when I think I'll be winding down and getting stuff ready for retirement. Ages 66 to 99 is blocked out in red, because this is the time of my life where I just want to kick my feet up, reflect, and think back about all of this, and hopefully all the great things I've experienced and done. You can use the My Life calendar any way you like. There's probably tons of creative ways to use this calendar. The way I use it is every Monday morning, I come out and I just take a few seconds and I color in a square, and that starts my week. What's really interesting about the life calendar is you can take a step back and you can see how much of your life you've lived so far, how much you have to look forward to in the green zone, the yellow zone, and the red zone. And all of these zones are customizable and determined by you. It's a great way to reflect and be grateful for what you've done and what you have left to do. That's the My Life in Weeks calendar.